To install your Little2Big seat, start by making sure you have all the parts needed. Here's what's included in the hardware kit. The only tool you'll need is a 1/2-inch wrench, either a combination wrench or a socket wrench. Begin by threading A through B into the hinges. Next, twist or slide C onto A, all the way up. Place the seat on the bowl. Reach beneath the bowl and attach the STA-TITE nut, washer side up. Finger tighten D until it's snug to the underside of the bowl. Tighten D until the lower portion snaps off. That's all it takes to install the Little2Big potty training toilet seat with the STA-TITE fastening system. To position the child seat for use, simply lift the child seat straight up, then lower it until it rests on the adult toilet seat ring. Once your little one is big enough, the child seat can be removed. To disengage the child seat, pull one side away from the hinge. Remove the sleeve on both sides and discard. Your toilet seat is now ready for everyday use.